What's going on, everybody? Adam here, and today I finally have a loot crate that I've been waiting for, well, it's supposed to be here, like I said in past videos, between the 20th and the 30th. Just got here last night, and I have a feeling this one's going to be a disappointment just by how light it is. So, let's see what we got. Alright, first up we got John Carpenter's Escape from New York Snake Plissken eye patch. Really? Next up we got Futurama. Let's see what this is. Not a fan of Futurama, never have been, never will be. And here we are. His name is Morbo. And he came with a little tube here. Says vein cream. Sure, there you go. Next up, we got our pairs of socks from Friends. Don't like that show either. Let's see what these look like. Yeah. So far, I am not impressed with this loot crate. Very disappointing. Next up, we have our shirt, Black Mirror, Netflix. Never watched it, never seen it, never heard of it. Well, I might have heard of it, but never seen it. So, again, this stuff is pretty much useless, pointless, beyond me, because whatever. Next up is Black Mirror loot pen. Whoop-de-doo. Again, this is only 20 bucks, but still, it's like the last couple have been very disappointing. And last but not least, we have a SpongeBob calendar. As if it can't get any more random than that. January, 16-month calendar. You know. Yeah, and that was it. So, my gut feeling was right, and it was going to be a disappointment, and it was. I'm thinking about upgrading to their more expensive loot crate. Hopefully there's something worthwhile in those, because this has really been a disappointment for the past few months, so I don't know. But yeah, that was January's loot crate. Yeah, very underwhelming. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be making a memorial video coming up this week, probably sometime. My parents had to put down their dog of 11 years, and very tough times for them, so please, respect the video that comes out, and just, I'm doing it for my parents, so be looking forward to that. I mean, it's not anything exciting by any means, but you know, it's gonna help heal and get through it. So other than that, there may or may not be a DNA show this weekend. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We got an ice storm coming, so I'm gonna prepare and hunker down here. So have a good day. Take care.
Meant to be